host. So this is a news channel. Today we are going to discuss about news channel news project. So generally we are seeing in newspapers. So some of the information is studied and past of the data, right? So at the time we are creating the directly websites. So that is a easy way. So that is possible in Narayana Tech host. So we are belongs to Narayana Tech host. So check here. So I'll show the photo execution in the news application. Okay, this is the code of the news application. Yes, you have to see this is the APK application program interface key. So we have to import some packages like news API, news API client. So we have to installation what are requirement article description news image. So it is most important for we can identify easily. There is the package. So this is the HTML page. So we have to describe our data. So that is the thing. So let's go to that our topic. So this is the news application, news web application. So news web and is my name, title name. So it is a BBC channel we have developed. So if you want you can go and check it. It is live news matter. Okay, check it. I will show in the same project in execution of live. Okay, in BBC news. If you want you can go and check it in live. So please type it here, BBC live, BBC news. Just click on the first one. Yes, check it here. The first is Australian Open reverse the Peng Shuolan t-shirt ban. Okay, next one is Australian work report at article efficient. Okay, right, this is the thing. Second thing, and bulls. And next takes the ice cream, ice, so and so working, right? So this is also same thing. First we have to see here. Yes, the first thing is VP Australian Peng t-shirt ban reversed after Okatse, right? The first one is this one. Is a live. It is not a yesterday past. It is a live to live. Every time it is updating. Why means that is the we are importing the package like Python API packages. Okay. So this is the thing. Okay. So it is a good option now we have to see. So now I'm developing the mobile application. It is uses so that easily identify. So we'll apply into website. Okay. So this is a BBC news channel. If you want you can use Saxi news channel also. Okay, that is another way of format. But we imported the BBC news channel. Why means it is a trending channel. It is number one channel in worldwide. So that's why we use. Okay, if you want to you can use Telugu language also, Telugu news. Okay, this is the Narayana Tech house information. It is a full stack course is available in Narayana Tech house, core Python and advanced Python and Django, SQL, MySQL, Oracle, MongoDB, whatever it may be backend database. The Narayana Tech host teaches. Okay, that is UI part also free. Okay, main there are provide 5 projects, main projects. So any projects. Okay, this is the overall of Narayana Tech house. It presently it is offline online started in Hyderabad. It is 24 into 7 is available for any inquiry. So there is a format. Okay, so this is the way of instruction about Narayan Tech house, but we mainly focus in the news project. Okay, see here Django developer only. So I'm developer of a Django website. So every day I'm creating the new projects like different way of things. Presently I'm working in Ignite Service Private Limited. So this belongs to Kolkata. So that's why I'm unable to do everyday projects. But mostly I try to develop everyday projects. Okay, that is the thing. So it is a nice project about overview. Okay, this is a Django project. How you can identify in the Django? So you can easily start in the your projects. Okay, this is the thing we have for permanent. Okay, so already import my package in my system. So there is no need of much more anything. Just we have to install pip install application Python API package. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, I hope you understand. I will show the API key. So this is the API news API key. So we have to install pip install news API Python. Otherwise we have to select any Python language. Okay, if you want anything this format you have to must show import in your use.py file or your language. Okay, either Java, C, C++, or whatever it may be languages supported. Okay, in my way Python developer. So I am a Django developer, both are Python and Django. Okay, this is the way of converting API key. So first we have to import, first we have to log in your authentication details. So after that we have to get one application API key, that is the security key. Okay, this is the security key. Okay, right. I hope you are understood very well. Thank you about in this project. I will share to you, all of you. Thank you so much. So if you are next again after 1 hour 2 hours will you check the latest update will be changed. Just wait, I will show that one also. Okay, yes, just now it is showing. After that you have to refresh this page, it will be changing another thing. 10 or 15 minutes it will be changes. Okay, that is the main advantage in the jungle. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you understand very well. Thank you.